Well, it looks like we're about to move on into the final phase of this engine. All I have left to fabricate are the counterweights that go on the crankshaft and a couple of push rods. Yesterday I finished my crankshaft, and this morning I have it all assembled. It turns freely. That's good. I always like it when they turn freely. And my fancy flywheel is finished. So I guess the next thing up will be to fabricate and attach the counterweights and to do some painting. We're getting some nice days here. It's going up to about +10, +12 Celsius. So I'll take all my little bits and pieces to be painted outside and paint them out there and then bring them into my shop to dry. And that way my wife won't kill me for stinking up the house. Thanks for having a look.